Talofa, welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa. I am Logan. Today I am going to be showing you 5 things I do to train for Siva Afi. Number 1 is exercise. Keeping my fitness levels high means I have the energy to engage with the audience during my performances. It also means that I have enough stamina to spend the fire for longer periods of time. Number 2 is warm up. Making sure your joints are warm means that there is less chance of injury. Number 3 is stick on. No matter how good you become, it is essential to maintain basic skills through drills. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. Down there's also a red button. You can subscribe if you're really enjoying. And yeah, thank you. Number 4 is the leg work. Spinning is great, but if you're spinning at one spot your whole performance, people will fall asleep. This is why movement is so essential. The last tip for today is have fun. There's no point in doing it if you're not enjoying yourself. Have fun.